Hello students, let us continue the lesson inheritance and variation. Linkage. What is linkage? Now linkage means what? The association of the genes on the same chromosome. Several genes are tightly packed on the chromosomes. They do not get easily separated. So the genes that have tendency to inherit or to come in a newly recombined formed chromosome inherit together. Such genes are called linked genes. Tendency of two or more genes present on same chromosomes that are inherited together is known as linkage. So what is the definition of the linkage? Tendency of two or more genes present on same chromosome that are inherited together is known as linkage. So it depends on the crossing over. So in the crossing over, what happens during the packaging stage of the meiosis? When there is a crossing over of the non-sister chromatids of the two homologous chromosomes, the segment of the chromosomes are exchanged. So when the crossing over takes place, the chromosome is broken in the genes. So the genes are broken, and when the crossing over does not take place, the genes they are directly come into the newly recombined chromosome. So it depends on the crossing over, complete and incomplete linkage. Now let us see the complete linkage. The linked genes which are closely located on chromosome do not separate and inherit together. Example, X chromosome of the male Drosophila. Now incomplete linkage means what? The linked genes which are distantly located on the same chromosome and have chances of separation by crossing over are incompletely linked genes. Example, genes. Example of the complete linkage is X chromosome of male Drosophila. Now you must have got an idea. This is about the autosome. What happens when the crossing over takes place? The chromosomes are broken, so the genes they do not come as a linked group. So it is incomplete linkage, and when there is no crossing over, there is a complete linkage. Now let us see about the sex linkage. You are knowing that the sex chromosome are X and Y. X chromosome is larger than Y chromosome, and when they have this same region or the same sequence of the genes, that part of the X and Y chromosome that is called the homologous region, and the non-homologous region that is larger in X chromosome and shorter in Y chromosome. So what is complete sex linkage? It is exhibited by genes located on the non-homologous region of X and Y chromosome. Now non-homologous region, the word is important because in non-homologous region there is no crossing over. So the chromosome is not broken and genes directly come into the newly recombined genes. So they inherit together because crossing over does not occur in this region. Example, hemophilia. What is hemophilia? The blood doesn't stop oozing out. Actually, the blood should stop within 5 minutes when it starts oozing out. This is a genetic disorder called hemophilia. Color blindness, you are knowing that the person cannot distinguish between the red and green color. Myopia, the people only can watch at the shorter distance and cannot the farther distance. Then Y chromosome hypertrichosis. Y chromosome is always present in the males only. So many hair are present on the ear pinna, that is called hyper, means many, trichosis means hair. Ichthyosis, it is the skin disease, the skin remains dry, scaly. Incomplete linkage, it is exhibited by the genes located on homologous region of X and Y chromosome. They do not inherit together because crossing over in this region. So when crossing over takes place, what happens? There is a exchange of the segment of the genes. So some part of the original chromosome come into the newly formed chromosome. Example, total color blindness. What is total color blindness? Person cannot distinguish any color, cannot make out any color. That is, he cannot recognize red, green, blue, white. All occur to be the gray. Nephritis, it is a kidney disease. Retinitis means it is a disease of the retina of the eye. So the retina is damaged in such people. Crossing over. Crossing over is important as far as linkage is concerned. Crossing over takes place during the packaging of the meiosis. Crossing over occurs only in the homologous region of the homologous part of the chromosomes, and when crossing over takes place, there is a incomplete linkage, and when crossing over does not take place, there is a complete linkage. You can see in the picture that two chromosomes, their non-sister chromatid parts are exchanged. You can see the blue color and pink color segments are exchanged here, and that is the crossing over or recombination. Recombination helps in variation or helps in evolution. Let us see the autosomal inheritance. What is autosome? Autosomes are the chromosome other than the sex chromosome that determine the traits like height, color, position of the nose, position of the eyebrows, etc. There are 22 pairs of the autosomes. They control variety of the traits other than sex. These traits are autosome linked traits. Transmission of body characters other than sex linked traits are called autosomal inheritance. In the examination, there will be a definition asked. What is autosomal inheritance? So I am repeating again. Transmission of body characters other than sex linked traits are called autosomal inheritance. Now some are influenced by dominant and some are influenced by recessive genes. Example: widow's peak, Huntington disease, phenylketonuria, cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia. Now see here widow's peak. This widow's peak, it is due to the autosomal inheritance. You can see prominent V-shaped hairline on forehead determined by the autosomal dominant gene. It occurs in the homozygous dominant, that is WW. Both are homozygous or heterozygous condition, that is capital W and small w. The people who are having the straight hairline, that is the small w genotype. Now see, you can, many people, they are having the straight hairline. It is a recessive homozygous condition, but in heterozygous condition the people will have the widow's peak. See here, you can see the hair have no straight line, but some of the portion has come down. Ketonuria, it is inborn metabolic disorder. When recessive, it is related to the recessive inheritance. Recessive genes are present in a homozygous condition. Phenylalanine is amino acids, and the phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme is not produced. This enzyme is necessary for conversion of amino acid phenylalanine to tyrosine. In absence of this phenylalanine enzyme, it is not converted into tyrosine, and the phenylalanine, the amino acid, it is accumulated in blood and cerebrospinal fluid, and it causes mental retardation. Excess phenylalanine is excreted in urine, so the name is phenylketonuria. Nuria means urine. So today we dealt with the linkage. What is linkage? Linkage means over the same chromosome, the genes are linear in positions, and so they are linked or associated. Crossing over, when breaks the chromosome, so we use the word recombination, means new combination occurs. If no crossing over, then what happens? As it is genes, they are transmitted to the newly formed chromosome. Now the question will be of this type: what are X-linked genes. X-linked genes means sex-linked genes. Then give example of complete sex linkage. Already we have discussed it. What is linkage? How many linkage groups are occur in human, and what is crossing over? So linkage group, it is related to the haploid set of chromosome. Thank you.